Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing matching braiding hair and creating a clean 3-strand section at the crown. Once done, position your weft or extension strand under the middle section so it becomes part of the braid. Make a tight initial stitch or knot at the root to anchor the extension. This prevents slipping. As you braid the first 2 passes, feed a small amount of extension into the outside strand and pull snug but not tight. Make sure the base sits flat so the braid will lie smooth as you continue. You now focus on consistent feed-ins. Add only a small portion of the extension each braid pass so the transition stays seamless. Once you tuck the extension into the outside strand, pull through and tighten evenly. This prevents bulky lumps. As you repeat, alternate which side receives the added hair to create balanced thickness and natural flow down the braid. Make sure to smooth stray fibers and keep tension steady. Too tight causes breakage. Too loose creates gaps, so you finish by tapering or trimming the extension ends to blend with the natural hair. Then secure the tip with a small rubber or a tight thread wrap, and if needed, seal carefully with heat. Once done, smooth the braid and compress any loose fibers into the plate so it reads as one. If you hit a problem, like bumps or uneven thickness, unbraid the last 1 to 3 passes, refeed a smaller portion of hair, and rebalance tension before rebraiding for a clean outcome.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.